Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can craft the Willowberry seed in Grow a Garden. So you're going to go to the crafting table that is up here, select recipe, and as you can see, there's this Willowberry tree, plant, whatever. So you'll need the flare melon, glow pod, and 2 beanstalks, and 5.5 million shekels. So basically, if you don't have flare, melon, and glue pot, I can't open this door right now because I haven't grown the beanstalk, but you'll up your friendship with the giant and you'll get your flare, melon, and glue pot from there. So select recipe and then select the Willowberry, of course, and then select craft. Get your flare melon here. Submit item and then your glue pot. Oh, wrong one. That was a seed. And then you'll need 2 beanstalks. Oops, wrong one. What is wrong with me? Hold on. There we go. And then start crafting. And that is how you can craft the Willowberry plant. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.